Hi guys, so in this video I'll be showing you guys our trip in Kayaking, so I hope you guys enjoy this video.
3, 2, 1. Arguing again, arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me why you're running back to him. Feeling insecure, feeling like there's more to your character.
So at first we visited the beach, and it's been raining a lot lately in Hong Kong, so the weather wasn't the best. And they wanted to do kayaking, but unfortunately it was too late for them to rent it because they only open until 5 p.m. So we just chilled a bit in the beach, and this beach is not really the best because they don't really have a toilet for you to change and everything, and they just have a hose and you have to line up for that. I guess this place is just good for like BBQ and stuff. Oh, and be careful when you swim in this beach, they got splinters. So moving on, we went to this Tikitiki bowling bar, and the price is actually not bad for a group of people. So I will link their website down below so you guys can see their information.
You like to put somebody else's happiness before your own. I see the weight of Atlas on your shoulder, weighs a ton. I'm trying to be the ball and light and energy for you to grow. You see, you're just a flower who has never seen the sun. You're stronger than you know, there's power in your bones. The flowers that you've grown were watered by your tears. You say you're growing old, one day you're gonna fold. Amazing how you go unbothered through the years. But if you just let go and fall into the garden that you grew, you would finally know that you don't have to be somebody new. Some flowers under your hair. You don't have to care about anything you used to care about. When you wanna smile, I'll be there. This is only fair, now go ahead and let your hair down. Place some flowers into your hair. You don't have to care about anything you used to care about. When you wanna smile, I'll be there.
So this is our final scores, and I don't know what happened to the names, but I guess Bruce Lee won. So as for their restaurant, their food is actually quite pricey, but they do have vegetarian options, so that's good. And I would say their food is not the best and it's not the worst, so it's just okay for me. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys like it, and make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.